Welcome, in front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will show you how to check the graphics card on this laptop. First, go to settings by opening the start menu and selecting settings icon. Then go to system, and in system section scroll all the way down to about. Open the about menu, and in the about menu you will be able to see the name of your graphics card. In my case it's integrated AMD Radeon graphics card with 496 megabytes of video memory. And if you want to check your graphics card more precisely, right click the taskbar, go to task manager, then select performance section right here and open GPU tab. And here you'll also be able to find your graphics card name, the GPU memory, the shared GPU memory, and all the specifications of your graphics card. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.